what do for you?
You again? You again?
Could leave our home.
Please shut up. Listen, let me tell you, I've warned you before. I've warned you before to get out of the way. Why are you making things unbearable for me? Why are you frustrating my efforts?
Leave our home.
Listen, let me tell you. I have warned you before. I have warned you, and warned you, and warned you again. I will not warn you again. This is the last time I warn you. You have to be very careful with me. You have to be very careful with me. I'm not your mate. By the way, where did you get this power from? Who are you? Who do you think you are? How can a child like you possess this kind of power? Eh? I've warned you, and I will not warn you again. You better leave the way for me.
That thing you think you know, I know it. I have greater power than yours.
You lie. You lie. Let me tell you, before you were born, I have this power. And you cannot just come out from anywhere and challenge me. I will deal with you mercilessly. You don't know who you're dealing with.
But my power is greater than your own.
Shut up your mouth. Let me tell you, you have to be very careful with me. You have to be very careful with me. I'm not your mate. I senior your father. And I cannot watch you challenge me or be a stumbling block to me. You have to be very careful with me. I have warned you, I will not warn you again. I will not warn you again. Now get out of here. I said get out from here.
I'm not living anywhere. I'm staying here.
Get out of here. You are talking with me. You are challenging me.
God have mercy upon us.
What?
That's what I do for you. Jesus. God have mercy upon us.
Marvelous. Why are you not sleeping? What is nothing?
But this house is scary.
This house is scary. Excuse me. What do you mean by this house is scary?
So I'm going to room.
In my matrimonial room?
Yes.
Doing what?
Trying to change powers.
Trying to exchange powers with who?
I know.
What's going on in this house? This is beginning to be strange.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay, see what we'll go. Go to your mother. Go and stay with your mother. I'm coming, okay? Go. What is going on?
That's what I do for you.
Having one problem or the other. My daughter keep complaining one thing or the other.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay. I think I need to set the trap.